Hi everyone! Today I make healthy pancakes with no sugar. It's perfect for breakfast and for kids. Stay with me. Let's cook together. Cottage cheese. Mash the cottage cheese. One egg. Vanilla. Dried cranberries. Flour. One big spoon will be enough. And mix everything together. The dough should be soft but not too sticky. My kids love this breakfast. Me too. So, dough is ready. I just need a little and put dough on a table. Nice. Now I shape the pancakes. I roll the dough into sausage like this. Cut it into small pieces like this. Small pieces. I make small pancakes with my hands. This dough very soft. And I think it's perfect size. And you will have, I show you. It's perfect size. See? Or you can use just your hands and do the same. Which size is better? I do this with hand and this with glasses. Nice? Nice. And do this with all pancakes. It's a perfect healthy breakfast, especially for kids. Look at the shape! I think it's amazing! Look! Nice. A little olive oil, just a little, to open my pancakes and put them in a pan. Very nice. And fry the pancakes on a medium heat. For sauce, we need frozen banana, frozen raspberry. While pancakes are cooking, I make the sauce. And we need to blend everything together. And now we need frozen banana and raspberry. Banana, raspberry, blend them. Whoa. Some Greek yogurt. Sauce is ready. Look at this texture. I show you. You should see this. Oh, it's like ice cream, you know? Not easy with one hand. Nice. Amazing. And just wait 1 minute on the other side, and pancakes will be ready. And now I prepare plate. On one side plate, I just put some sauce. 1 big spoon, yes? 1 big spoon will be enough, Diana, for you? Oh, just on a plate, just like this, on the one side.
I just got put it on sauce.
You can try. What do you think? What do you think?
It's delicious.
Delicious? Yes, I know. So just on the one side we put our sauce. Other side, pancake. How many pancakes, Jan, you want today for breakfast? 3? 4? Let's start with 3, okay? 3 pancakes and bury in top. Look at this! I just show you. I show you how it looks like. Look at this! It's perfect breakfast. Pancakes with berry sauce. Amazing! Bye!